What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So, let's be honest. Home repairs can be a pain in the butt, especially when they hit the wallet. But what if I told you that you could avoid most of those costly repairs with just a little bit of time and some simple DIY hacks? And in this video, I'm going to give you 15 home maintenance tips that are going to save you a ton of money. I'm also going to give you a quick DIY hack for each one that you can do right now. And remember, all of these 15 tips are essential for every homeowner, so pay attention if you're not already. Think about it as a yearly to-do list for your house, all in one video. Let's get started. First off, clean your gutters and spouts. Clogged gutters cause damage to your roof and your foundation. Instead of using your ladder, here's a little hack. Use your shop vac with a long PVC pipe that can reach up there, and it can help you clean out all the junk without ever even getting up on the roof. And number two, inspect your roof. Catching a loose shingle now can prevent a major leak later. The hack: grab a pair of binoculars and walk around your house. You can get a great view of your shingles and flashing without ever having to set foot on the roof. Tip number 3 is simple. Check for water leaks. They can cost you thousands in water waste and mold damage. The hack is simple. This is easy. Go turn off all your water, check your meter numbers, wait 30 minutes, then go check the numbers again. If the number changed, then you have a leak. And that's for those of you that have a meter. Those of you in the country, like me, you have a little bit different stuff. Check out one of our other videos for that. For number 4, drain your water heater. Draining your water heater and clearing it out of all the different sediments and things that could build up in it all year makes it run a lot more efficient. And the hack, it's really simple. Turn the water off up here, attach a garden hose like this to a place like this, and then open it up. Make sure your garden hose is going to a drain or outside. Open this thing up and let it drain. And then when you have your water heater empty, take and turn the water back on slowly and start flushing it out for a few minutes. Turn it off, let it flush, let it empty, and turn it back on and do it again. Cycle it a couple of times, turn it back off, take the hose off, and you're done. And tip 5, service your AC unit. Whether a window unit like this or a bigger unit like this for your whole home, a clean condenser means lower energy bills. The hack, it's simple. After you turn off the power, use a garden hose to simply spray out the coils from the inside out, from in here out. This one, you could spray this way, but you don't want to spray inside of the machine. And don't use a pressure washer. It's not needed. You're really just going to damage the fins because they're really, really fragile. Another little hack, take a butter knife and work out those fins. Because if the fins are straight, it creates a lot more airflow. All right, guys, so we're a third of the way through. Let's keep the money-saving tips going. And tip number 6, winterize your outdoor hose connection. This is easy. The hack, go inside, turn off your valve, the main one inside, then come back out here, open this valve up, and allow all the water to drain right out. You may have one attached to the side of your house. You want to make sure to take off all of your hose, drain all of those out also. Because if you skip this step, you can have frozen pipes, or even worse, bursted ones. And trying to deal with that in the middle of winter, not going to be good. You can also buy a cheap foam cover for these for just a little extra peace of mind. And tip number 7, clean your dryer vents. And I'm not talking about this one. I'm talking about the one behind your dryer vent. Pull this thing out, get down there, unhook the dryer vent, grab your vacuum, suck out all the lint, clean it out well, put it all back together. And this is going to save you a lot of time and energy because this thing's going to run a lot less. And tip number 8, check your caulk and weather stripping around your windows and your doors. Drafts can really cost you money. Make sure you look out for things like this. Some simple caulk will do a great job. Make sure you check the bottom of your doors. This seal also needs to be replaced. That can create a draft. Clean your siding. That prevents mold and mildew stains, which are a horrible curbside appeal and a damper on any backyard barbecue. The hack? Mix a solution of a 50-50 vinegar and water mix and just rub it on there with a soft bristled brush. Easy, then rinse. And remember, this is also a preventative measure. That vinegar is also going to linger on there and just create that mildew and mold from regrowing back. And the great part of this, that's what makes this as an annual thing. That vinegar is going to hold up for a really long time. And tip number 10, maintain your garage doors. This is going to prevent you from costly repairs and possibly damaging malfunctions. And the hack, lubricate all the moving parts and tighten any loose bolt with just a simple wrench. This is going to save you a lot of time and costly repairs in the future. Tip number 11, clean your refrigerator coils. This makes your refrigerator run way more efficiently. The hack, unplug this thing, get behind it, get a brush or a vacuum, and clean out all the coils of all the dust and pet hair that might be in there. And number 12 is right here. Check for toilet leaks. Did you know that your toilet is responsible for about 30% of your household water? Fun fact, a leaky toilet can waste thousands of gallons of water, and that could be money. A simple hack to check this out, take some food coloring and put it in the back of your tank, and wait about 20-30 minutes. See if anything comes into your toilet bowl. If it does, then you probably have a leaky flap. That's a really simple, easy fix. Now tip 13, clean your faucet aerators. What is that? It's this thing, or the one on your sink. Mineral buildup can kill water pressure. And the hack, fill a bag with vinegar and take a rubber band and wrap it right around here and let it sit there overnight. The vinegar will dissolve the minerals and be a lot easier to flush it out in the morning. All right, guys, so we're at number 14. We have one more to go. Number 14 is sharpen your yard tools. Dull yard tools make work a lot harder and way less safe. Most things from a mower blade to any of these objects can be sharpened with just a simple file. Takes a few minutes, a little bit of hard work, wear gloves and safety equipment, definitely gloves. And finally, guys, we're here, tip number 15. Inspect your chimney and your fireplace. This is crucial for fire safety. The hack, take a flashlight and look up and down your chimney flue to see if there's any creosote buildup from the firebox. This will tell you if you need to hire a professional to come out and do an actual cleaning. And this is not one thing to play around with. This is fire safety. So make sure you call a professional to do the cleaning. But if you are one of those DIYers that are super confident in your work, check out this video and it'll show you exactly how to clean your chimney by a professional like me. And there you have it, 15 annual home maintenance tips with a hack for each one. Doing these simple things every year will save you time, money, and stress. And this is just the beginning. I'm actually going to do an in-depth, step-by-step video for each one of these home maintenance tips so that you can see exactly what we're doing. And if you are interested in that, make sure you like and subscribe. Hit that notification button for when those come out. And in the comments, tell me which one of these tips you're going to tackle first.